back and we have some vegetables that are ready for harvest. I am going to harvest some bok choy for our beef soup for dinner tonight. Look, we have a lot of calamansi. Oh god, all these like calamansi that are ready, that are turning like orange. And look at the fig tree. 1 second, I need to crawl under this calamansi. And look at this fig tree and all the leaves that have fallen. I am going to harvest from here, from this box, some of these Asian greens. These are bok choy. Asian greens are really great on soup because of the crunchy like stalk. So when you harvest the when you are growing, so when you are growing leafy greens like this, like bok choy, you don't need to harvest the entire plant. You can harvest the outer leaves, so they keep on like giving you vegetables, like new leaves. Usually at the grocery store, it's like, you know, you see them like as an entire plant, but when you're growing them, you don't need to harvest the entire plant like what I'm doing right now. I'm just like harvesting the outer like leaves, and then the more you harvest, the more they will give you, the more they will produce like new leaves. Look at this one, it's so beautiful. So with Asian, 1 second, I'm cleaning up all this like fig leaves. I try to maximize the harvest, so I don't harvest the entire plant. I just harvest this. I would have like a few months of from this like plant like leaves, so they will keep on growing. This one is so beautiful, look at that. I'm not sure what this one is. I think that is kale, most likely kale. Like this. Let's harvest some of this calamansi too. Since there are like, some of them are like super ripe, so we can make calamansi juice. I'm just harvesting the orange one, and they are huge. Look at that. This evening's harvest for dinner: the Asian leafy greens or bok choy, and then the calamansi. I started cooking this beef here. I'm just boiling it in water. This is chuck roast, and then so this is going to be slow cooked for about an hour. I am going to leave this here. Husband and Josh are home. Now I'm going to the mall. This mall is very close to our house. Just got home. Now I'm adding the potatoes, and then later I'm going to add the corn I picked from the backyard garden. I'll turn this off. There you go. Super nutritious and super fresh. And then dinner is ready. Let's eat.
Is it piping hot, Mommy?
Because like It has been slow cooking for a while.
For like almost an hour and a half.
Yeah, but I was shopping.
Which is good thing.
But you're here with Daddy, so Daddy took care of it. Daddy kept an eye. Today we are going to decorate our
Christmas tree.
Yes, we are switching from red, green, and gold, and silver to pink and gold, and rose gold. Okay, we have this too, and can you bring the other three, Josh? This, I don't know how many. In here.
Here's our gifts to you.
And three.
As well.
Oh, and we also got this tentacles. It's very, very fragrant. A box of decorations, of Christmas decorations here. Let's look for our gingerbread. Oh, like no, candy cane, right?
Hi. So we're adding the candy cane.
There you go, Josh.
Wait.
Josh, where are we going? Josh, hi Josh, where are we going?
We are going to my swimming class.
Yes. Today is Josh's first day back in school, and I am preparing his lunch at school. He's having salmon. The salmon this is, he's having salmon all week. That's what he likes. So this is for like 4 days. So 4 slabs of salmon with a little bit of extra here. Here's the salmon and rice, and then strawberries for snacking. I'm not missing anything, right? Okay. Are you still very sleepy or no? You're good. You're sleepy. Oh, it's foggy. Look out the window.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Sorry, your home is not ready to.
And now we're going to school. Are you ready for school, Josh?
Yes.
Let's go. And it's time to start work for me. This is my office. This is my view. Like what I said, my office is overlooking the backyard. I'm on my way to a holiday get together. Look at the traffic everywhere. Finally got here. This place, Citizen Public Market.
We're going to my dentist.
Yes, for the annual checkup. And we are running a little. No, we're on time. Josh, what are you watching?
I'm watching Lego.
Lego, okay. Hello. Thank you. I don't have to pay.
We're looking for a place to have a snack.
Yeah. I saw a Tortoni cafe there. Maybe we try that.
Yes, maybe.
They,
Let's go to the mall.
okay, I think they have Starbucks at the mall, right?
Right.
Starbucks, are you going to get cookies?
Yes.
Okay. And then juice?
Yes.
Okay,
Of course.
sounds good. Hi Josh. We're
Hi,
almost
Maddie.
at the mall now, right?
Yes. Cool.
Or is this the... This is like the way to San Jose. Maybe here. Let's try this way. Where is the... Are we on the correct spot? Macy's. Where is... Ah, it's Macy's. other side. Let's check what they have here. What we want to eat. Is there boba, Josh? Like creme cafe. There's baroma. Chipotle. Earth bar. Stone oven. Which one do you like? We went to Sbarro to get pizza for Josh and pasta for me. There's a Christmas tree. Yes, we're going to check the solo out there. Let's go.
It's so cool.
Why? It's kind of Indrayata, no?
Yeah.
This is the cutest car. It's so tiny. It says solo. See? Can you imagine driving next to an SUV or a 10-wheeler, like a 14-wheeler truck, right?
Yeah.
Oh my, you'll be like really scared. But it looks so cool. We are back at this place, Shanghai Rose for dim sum. We're having tea time, dim sum.
With jasmine hot
Hot
tea.
tea.
And this is how you serve it back in China.
Clean the, what's that? Thank you.
Pour it back.
Here's the sizzling soup. Just need to put that there. It doesn't sizzle anymore, I think. I'm not sure. There you go. The first dish is the turnip cake. This is shrimp hakao. This is just soup. And once again, the bread. This is the pork buns. Pork barbecue buns. Baked barbecue buns. I can't remember what this one is, but it has shrimp inside. And then this is shawmai, and then pork spare ribs. How's your soup, Josh?
It's good.
Having dim sum here at Shanghai Rose. Hi, Daddy. That's where we had dim sum lunch at Shanghai Rose.
Oh, I didn't point to you where I parked there next to the tall tree.
Oh, the palm tree. Like the